What happened there now?
I don't know, I'm sad all of a sudden. Stop.
Say that.
I'm feeling so excited and sad at the same time. Hi, thank
Goodbye.
you for everything.
Thank you, huh?
Yeah. Hi there, and welcome to another episode of the Fire Family. It's the 48-hour countdown. We leave tomorrow afternoon, and we are getting rid of all our stuff. So let's go have a look. Welcome to our hell. All right. Hey.
Hey. Donation pile.
This is where the kids are sleeping right now on our camping gear. Well, actually, I'm sleeping there at the moment because our room is so disgusting. And yeah. Hey, honey.
We have a few beers that will go. We have a lot of sauces. And we have some bacon bits with a bit of Parmesan cheese, more Parmesan, some jalapenos,
Okay.
and some eggs with oregano. Just camp outside.
Kitchen stove.
The bar now.
Yeah, well, luckily we have it. You got everything you need there.
Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, that was disappointing. These are the camping plates, or now on called D plates.
Yes.
One for you. A bit spicy.
Oh,
Spicy.
spicy. As good as always. We had our last sleep in the house, and now we are just having breakfast with like whatever we can find. Lucas is having dry Cheerios, and Clara had a slice of bread. Yeah. Wakey, wakey. You sleep okay?
Yeah. And these are the last things that we own again here.
Our last bags. You gonna bring him to the van?
Just for the trip here. So you the van.
Yeah. Everything we own is in here.
Yeah.
Does the van shut? Look how packed it is. That's Javier's challenge, that we always sleep in the van. And I said, no, I think we're gonna need a hotel. But no, honey, Javier was like, no, we're on a budget now, and that budget will be respected. We will be sleeping in here, if you can imagine that. That's the challenge tonight.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that is. It's your last time to say goodbye. Oh, sweetie.
What are you doing?
Hugging the house.
Your room. Saying goodbye to your room, Lukey. Oh, you're gonna miss your room.
What is that here?
Oh, you're gonna miss Angelo. You'll see Angelo in October, though, right, Clara? I know. You're gonna be sad. So we haven't actually officially introduced Angelo. Here he is.
Video channel. Angelo is our editor.
Exactly.
Here we are doing last touches.
Well, perfect. And Angelo's been living in our house for 3 years. He came as an au pair, and then he stayed on as a university student. Won't be coming with us.
Yeah.
He'll be behind the scenes.
Angelo has the pleasure now of staying in the house and cleaning it up.
Yes. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Goodbye, house. Yeah, we did it.
Yeah. When you're
Oh
gone.
man. All right, let's go. Thank you for everything. Yeah.
Angelo. Nos vemos en octubre. Que te mando vídeos.
Feliz viaje.
Celebrating Lucas. Goodbye, house.
Bye, I love you.
13 hours and 30 minutes.
Attrapez une poule de réveil si vous voulez endormir, puisque c'est la nuit. Alors,
She will be like that probably all 14 hours.
Yeah.
We have awesome
The thing is that we
travel.
don't need a radio with her.
Time for dinner.
I'm starving.
Exactly. Bonsoir, merci.
Yo quiero smaltis mi lèvres.
Good? Good?
Love you.
I love you, Lukey. We've all had dinner. Lucas, you a bit happier?
Yeah.
We have 12 hours, 30 minutes to go. It's 10 to 8 at night. So hopefully we'll make it to 1, 2 in the morning.
We found our air, what they call an air, rest stop. Rest stops in France are actually really, really awesome.
Yeah.
So it's got gas station, restaurants,
Parking cars.
parking for cars. Okay. Hey kids, you ready to go to bed? Lukey? Yeah, it's midnight. Okay, let's see if Javier's theory of us all sleeping in here is actually gonna work. All right, baby, give us the tour.
Okay, this is survival camping or van life because we have a lot of car seats. But Lucas sleeps up front.
Lucas, where are you? There you are.
That's your bed.
Oh yeah,
Which is
this
normally
is
back there.
my bed. And there's
You can sit
Clara.
from the back. And my bed is in the usual place. It's only
Ah,
slightly reduced.
okay, so you're here. So the unusual thing is this massive lump in the middle here.
Yeah.
Well, good night.
Night.
Good night.
Good night. Kiss to Papa.
Mwah. Lucas, buenas noches.
Good night, Lucas. Lois, kisses. Okay. Well, we had actually a really good night's sleep. I'm surprised.
Back.
It's been raining all night. Like, look at the window there. And I was just thinking, how are we gonna pack up? Oh, it's really starting to rain.
Okay, I'm just gonna move it back there before.
Good thinking. All right, the moment of truth. Will the seat go back? It's this tent.
This is good.
Here we go. There she does it. Well done, baby. Okay, we've got breakfast stuff. And that's the route that we have left.
8.5
hours.
900k.
Not bad. Yeah, 8.5 hours. Time for some breakfast. And hopefully we'll make it to sunny Spain. I haven't checked the forecast in the north, but
Yeah.
I was hoping for like a quick beach dip. We've reached Bordeaux. Next destination, Bayonne, which is right on the border. It's 12:20, so it's French lunchtime almost.
This one is
But it's
it's late breakfast in Spain.
Exactly.
It's brunch time in Spain, but it's French lunch.
yeah.
Only that we don't do brunches, so you know, you eat here now, or you have to wait an hour to eat in Spain. And España! And we made it with one tank of gas, so I can hopefully buy cheaper gas here.
All right. Oh yeah. Well, the light still isn't on there. That's good.
Donostia, San Sebastián. Same city.
Yeah.
Oh,
What? Oh. We missed the gas station. Shoot. We've got 216 kilometers to Burgos. Okay, well we've got a little bit of blue sky, so we've decided we're gonna go to the beach. Have lunch, and maybe even go in the water. We'll see. So we have green olives, chorizo sandwich, jamon with pepper sandwich. Yeah, a stuffed mussel. These are like eggplant tapas with a shrimp on top. This is the typical Basque pincho type thing. And then a tortilla de patata. Oh! So it's got like a shrimp mayonnaise sauce between aubergines or eggplant, and then a shrimp on top.
give it a head.
How do you eat it?
Take them out then after.
That's a stick. You almost get the stick in your nose. Pincho. Vamos a la playa.
Tell me that again. What happened? The wave took you, didn't it? Go!
So for those of you that love surfing, not this beach because this is quite protected. This is a surfing paradise. I think there's a World Cup in Mundaka. Shout out. Awesome surfing.
Definitely where to
check
come
this
for
out if you
surfing.
like surfing.
All of the Basque Coast, I'd say. Yeah. You're full of sand. What are we gonna do? Wow, look at that.
Suben hasta la carretera. Oh, golazas. You see, Portugal, Algeciras.
Ah, yeah. There it is.
Portugal and Morocco.
What are you drinking there, baby?
Red Bull. Nada que no sea contigo.
And that's what happens when you give your hyperactive husband Red Bull. It's completely sunny here. We went through a tunnel out of the Basque Country into Castilla, and sun and blue skies, which is what we'll probably have the entire time we're in Castilla. Kilometers to Avila.
Those mountains, right at the base of them. That's us.
Ah, there they are. The geography has completely changed from fields to forests with rocks.
Mediterranean forest.
Mediterranean forest.
This is Adesa.
Look at it. So we've made it to Avila, which is where Javier's parents live, and it's famous for its amazing walls that are from the year 1000. So they are super old, and we'll get some good shots of them in a second.
So this changes hands all the times.
Okay. So it's medieval.
Yeah, this is from where, this is for the fights between the Moors and the Christians.
Okay, so they put these huge defensive...
And they keep changing hands.
Well, yeah. They're a UNESCO heritage, actually, because they're so well preserved. So those were the walls. So if you do love medieval history, Avila is definitely a great city to come because it is very much from that time.
Yeah, it's just an hour from Madrid. It's easy on the train.
It's an hour from Madrid, and if you want steak, this is the place to come. The beef here is world class, like melts in your mouth. Epic. Epic beef, an hour from Madrid, so it's a perfect day trip. And to be honest, it gets really cold in the winter though here, so bring a jacket. Where are we? Are we at Abuela and Abuelo's house? Yeah. Hey, Clara, you found your toys. Yeah. You happy?
Camel.
Camel. Oh. Got a finger out of your nose. And so I think we're going to wrap it up here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time.